Are you struggling with brittle nails, thinning hair, or scaly skin rashes around the eyes, nose, and mouth? Then try consuming more biotin. My name is Montgomery Radellini, and I am here to help you understand everything you need to know about the vitamin biotin. Biotin boosts the health of hair and nails, plays a vital role in assisting enzymes to break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, and it also helps with gene regulation. The top food sources of biotin are in protein, since most biotin in food is bound to proteins. The first is beef liver, where 3 ounces contains 30.8 micrograms of biotin. The next are cooked whole eggs, where 1 contains 10 micrograms of biotin. And lastly is pink canned salmon, where 30 ounces contains 5 micrograms. For vegetarian, the top 2 food sources of biotin are roasted sunflower seeds, where 1/4 of a cup contains 2.4 micrograms of biotin, and cooked sweet potatoes, where 1/2 cup contains 2.4 micrograms of biotin. The adequate intake, or AI, requirements for men and women 19 years and older and for pregnant women is 30 micrograms of biotin a day, whereas for lactating women it's 35 micrograms a day. Most biotin requirements are met by a varied diet, which is great, right? For example, if you had 3 full-cooked eggs in the morning, you would consume 30 micrograms of biotin, which would meet your requirements for the day. It's much harder for vegetarians to meet this AI requirement since biotin is so high in proteins, but they can meet this requirement by eating a bunch of varied greens and nuts. But wait, there's more! If a person is not meeting their AI requirements of biotin, biotin supplements are readily available. These supplements contain 100% biotin, which can range in doses from 30 to 100 micrograms, which are perfect to meet your adequate intake requirements. You can find them at your local grocery store, pharmacy, or Target. A biotin deficiency in the U.S. is very rare, but the 3 most common reasons for biotin deficiency are being pregnant. About 1/3 of pregnant women show a mild biotin deficiency despite eating adequate intakes, though the exact reason why is still unclear. I need my biotin. Alcoholism. Alcoholism can increase the risk of biotin deficiency and many other nutrients. Alcohol can block their absorption, and also because alcohol abuse is generally associated with a poor dietary intake. My biotin is wasting away. Or from consuming too many raw eggs, which is gross anyway, so don't do it. If you do choose to eat raw eggs and that's your thing, it can cause a biotin deficiency because a protein in raw eggs called avidin can bind to biotin, preventing its absorption. A deficiency in biotin can lead to thinning of hair, brittle nails, and rashes around the eyes, nose, and mouth. And who wants that? And you want to know one of the great things about biotin? It doesn't cause toxicity. The FNB was unable to establish ULs for biotin because there is no evidence that biotin is toxic at high intakes. Several studies have found no adverse effects of 10 to 50 milligrams a day of biotin and up to 200 milligrams a day of oral biotin. You may want to stay clear of taking too much biotin because very high intakes may interfere with diagnostic assays. There is no evidence that biotin causes toxicity in humans, and since it's water soluble, the excess just leaves through your urine. So you can have the healthiest hair and nails as you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot about biotin. I know I did. If you would like to learn more about biotin, you can visit these sites.